Morning everyone, and welcome again to another episode of How to Become a Digital Nomad. And today's episode is about visas. So as an Egyptian and somebody who doesn't have the strongest of passport, I've been having lots of issues while I am traveling, and some of them is I have to go to some countries to apply. I have to go back home to my country to apply for a visa to a country I am bordering with. So for example, when I was in Brazil, and I mentioned that before, and I wanted to go to Venezuela, they told me no, you have to go back to Egypt to apply. And obviously that was not making any sense. So I went back to Sao Paulo, and in Sao Paulo I had the option of going to South Africa, and I assumed it was going to be the same. I assumed that if I approached the embassy, they would tell me the same thing. Yeah, you have to go back to Egypt in order to get the visa to South Africa. However, that's not what happened. When I went to the embassy of South Africa in Brazil, they told me, no, we can issue the visa for you straight away. Which means that lots of different embassies have different rules. So my advice is, if you are traveling and if you want to go to a country next door, it's only a phone call away. So you might as well pick up the phone, call the embassy, tell them you are from this country and you want to go to their country. Will you be able to get a visa or no? And because these things, they change all the time, but it's a very good approach to just make the phone call and find out, because that's basically what happened to me. Otherwise, I would have been still in Brazil since 10 years, basically. Anyways, let me know if you guys need any if you have any questions. Subscribe on the YouTube channel and my Facebook group and website for more tips and tricks on becoming a digital nomad. And I'll see you guys on a next episode. Thank you.